How to pay Mabilis Cash using Gcash. Step number one, log into the Mabilis Cash application, and then you'll be able to access your Mabilis Cash account and then navigate to the repayment section. Point to note, guys, is that you're going to be paying back your Mabilis loan. Step number two says choose the Gcash as a payment method. Select Gcash in the available payment options. Enter your loan details, the amount, and other details like the loan ID and other information which is necessary. Step number four, review and confirm the payment. Double check the payment details to confirm the transaction is within Mabilis Cash application. Step number five, follow the Gcash instructions. If prompted, open your Gcash application. Follow the instructions to complete the payment. You may need a load or QR code to scan on another device. And then lastly, guys, step number six says verify. Once the payment has been processed, verify your loan balance and update it on your Mabilis Cash. That's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.